Hello, I am Josh and I am one of the trainers at SFD and I'm going to show you how to use LabWork. So, when you're on a patient's record, all you need to do is if you click the key F5 and it will direct you to their orthodontic overview. So you can see it's got the overview, OPG and KEF and the LabWork is there as well. On there, click on New, select the lab work that is needed, and you can see in that section you've got the description, the status, and the item number. And then if you go to this little oven icon at the very top main toolbar, and then if you just go down to where it says laboratory work, and you can see that the test patient is in there in the pending tab. Now you can then click on that, dispatch them, and then when you do dispatch them, just simply choose where you're dispatching them to, give it a ticket number, and click OK. Then they will appear in the dispatched tab. And again, in there, just simply click on that one, mark it as returned, and then in the return tab, you can see the test patient is there.